Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from stampscrapandmore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And thank you for joining me today. I have something a little bit different for you. Some of you may know that I love planners. I've tried many styles of paper planners. I've tried a digital planner, and last year, as a matter of fact, it was a digital planner that I used. And while I loved it, and it was geared towards Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, at the end of the year, I realized I am a very tactile person. I need to feel it. I need to hold it, flip the pages, and that's why I love paper crafting and Stampin' Up! Because it's very tactile. I can feel the paper, and so this year I decided to invest in a Plum paper planner. And why I love Plum paper planners is because you can personalize them. And I personalized it with the front cover. I added sections for blog, social media, brainstorming, and it's geared. This one I have is geared towards direct sales. So let me show you. But the real reason why I'm here today, I also subscribe to the monthly sticker kit, and the March's sticker kit came in the mail this week. I was really busy at work, so I'm just looking at it now. So let me show you the planner. So this is my planner, and I was able to personalize it with my name. And wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. They have many colors that you can and patterns that you can select. You can actually even change up the cover each month. They have like a cover, a monthly cover that you can alter. You can get the cover changed so that this is perforated, and you can just interchange the covers, but I didn't do that. So I'm not going to do a walkthrough of the paper planner, only because I've got a lot of stuff in here. But what I am going to show you is, so this is, and I've covered up some of the information I have in here on May. This is, as I mentioned, geared towards direct sales. So it's got like your goals and your monthly goals and I've altered this to my liking, and I have last year's sales statistics and what my goals are for this year, et cetera, et cetera. So, and then we've got, this is the monthly, and then it breaks it down from monthly things I have to do, and you also can personalize it. So I have to do, I have personalized this to say mail, and then these are priorities, and then these are the months. And then it goes into, and then I've got a couple of blank pages for notes. And then at the very end, I've added in a tab, and I've got blog information. I've got a tab for social media, and I've got a tab for brainstorming. But the real reason I'm here is to share with you the sticker kit. Well, let me go back to May, because I'm going to need that. So this is the sticker kit for March. Even though I'm on May, this is March's sticker kit. Only because I had too much stuff on March to cover up. So May's, I haven't really added anything to it yet other than the basics. So okay, so I've opened up. It comes in the mail like this. Spring is in the air. And these are the stickers that you can use to embellish your planner each month. Like I said, I subscribe to the monthly sticker kit. I actually really like their stickers. I tried some stickers off Etsy. I didn't love them. I'm sure there's lots of different manufacturers, but I just like the coordination of the Plum paper. So I ended up getting the Plum paper stickers. So, it's got some of the events, the spring, daylight savings, St. Patrick's Day, spring break, that they gives you the holidays. The other thing that you can do is you can select which holidays you want listed in here. And since I'm in Canada, I selected the Canadian holidays. And it's got, when bills are due. These are your water, keep track of your water, garbage day, shopping, some don't forget stickers, and just fun things, gardening stickers that you can use to embellish your planner. And then here are shopping lists and little notes. And I haven't, as you can tell, added these to my March layout yet, but I will today. These are decorative that you can add onto your planner. These are little check boxes, exercising, when urgent, little to-do tags, priority meals. These are the goals, and they go here on your planner. And then these are more decorative, like this can go here. And if you don't want birthdays and events, you can put this over those and create what you want. Things I need. I like how it has little sentiments that you can add to your planner. And here's like March 2021. And if you wanted to, you can put it across. There would be March, and then the 2021 would go along here. Just ways of decorating your spring. You'd put it wherever spring happens. Paydays, and then your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can alternate. You can put them along here, and then back here is where it breaks it down by day. I think it's called the vertical planner. And so those are the stickers. And why I love the stickers just is because, we all have planners, and at the beginning of the year, we have great intentions of following our planner, looking at every day. Sometimes I will admit that that doesn't always happen, but when you get the sticker kit, it forces you to open up your planner, look at it, and plan that month out. So that's one of the biggest goals that I like about the monthly sticker kit. It makes you look at your planner. But I love, like I said earlier, I love my paper planner. So that is the paper planner. Would I do anything different? Yes. I probably will get another Plum paper planner next year, but I'm going to look at maybe getting a 6-month planner. And the reason being is by the time I added all of the extra tabs on it, it's very thick. Oh, and the other thing I really liked, it's got this pocket at the back that I can tuck things in, and I do that often. I tuck a lot of things in. So yeah, I would see if they do have 6-month planners. I don't know if they come in a direct sales version of a 6-month planner, but you can start your planner any month you want. That's the best thing about Plum paper planner is you can start it whenever you want, but it's quite heavy, I will admit. And then by the time I start embellishing it and adding the pages, it's getting even thicker. So I like to carry this with me every day. I know how obsessive is that, but I do take it with me. I work during the day, so I do take it to work with me every day. As things come up in my mind, it's always on my desk. I can jot notes down because I'm getting older and I'm getting forgetful. So this is keeping me on track. All right, so that's me and the Plum Paper Planner. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My information is in the description below. And I will be coming back with a tutorial for a new product that Stampin' Up! Is releasing on March the 1st. It is butterfly themed, and it's an early release of something that's going to be in the new annual catalog. Plus, there's some designer series paper that is only available for the month of March. So you won't want to miss that. So come back and join me later. I will be doing a Facebook Live this weekend and sharing some projects. And I will be posting that video up on YouTube probably next week sometime. Take care. Have a good one. And we'll talk to you again soon.